Hello guys, this is Aisha and welcome back to my channel and yet on another vlog on Goa. And this is a lovely morning here today and Maris and I are ready to start our journey. I hope you all enjoy the rest of the vlog. We are here at the Cabo de Rama Fort. অনেকটুকু হাঁটতে হচ্ছে. It's actually a long tiring walk, but and also the roads are very rocky. The pathway is actually very rocky, so when you come here you have to be very careful. God, we found such a beautiful spot. This viewpoint here is so pretty. I mean, let me just show you. We saw these two guys and they look so calm and harmless. I mean, if you don't do anything stupid and trigger them, they won't do anything to you. Cabo de Rama Fort এখানে একটা ছোট্ট একটা বিচ আছে, a pebble beach. এটা নিচে নামার রাস্তাটা খুবই steep and like narrow. Remember you asked me before we began our relationship that if I am adventurous or not?
Yes.
So what do you think? Am I adventurous? Tumi bolo.
You told that no, you were not.
Yeah, I told you no like 9 years ago that no, I'm not adventurous. So after 9 years, what do you have to say about that?
You have become more adventurous than me.
Jore bolo.
You have become more adventurous than me.
Yes.
Credit comes to me.
Yes, the credit goes to you. Oof. The sound of the waves. I just love sound of the waves. Beachটা দেখতেই তো কত সুন্দর লাগছে এখান থেকে. Pebble beach, পুরাটা পাথর দিয়ে ভরা. I am like literally amazed and in awe that how beautiful this view is. আমি প্রত্যেকটা স্টেপে স্টেপে নামতেছি and the closer I get, the more I am literally amazed. It was a good idea to come here. একটু কষ্ট, অনেকটা নিচে নামতে হইতেছে, but it's so worth it. Yeah, it looks beautiful. Oma koi gelo crabta? I don't want to lose my Namjoon moment. Where is it? Where did it go, guys? We just spotted a little crab. Onekgulo crab spot korlam. I finally have my Namjoon moment. I'm really happy. Back to blue side. Blue side. Back to blue side. our breakfast here at the Cape Goa resort. এটা Cabo de Rama Fort থেকে খুবই কাছে. If you want to enjoy a breakfast with a nice view, then I think you should definitely come to the Cape Goa. Look at this lunch. This is what Maref ordered, an Indian platter, and this is what I ordered. इतने सारे ब्रेड्स कभी नहीं किए, ये फर्स्ट टाइम है.
थोड़ा अलग अलग करेगा तो अच्छा है.
हाँ. So as you can see, I got my hair done. সুন্দর সুন্দর braids করে দিয়েছে, and even I put colorful ribbon on my hair matching with my outfit. So this is our dinner by the beach tonight. It's so amazing. Taina?
Yeah, margarita pizza.
Yeah. So we have ordered margarita pizza. It looks delicious. It smells good too. And then this is এটা জানি কি বলে?
Fried up.
No, like fried chili with chili sauce something. It's a seafood dish. আমরা আমাদের ডিনার শেষ করলাম আজকে বিচের পাড়ে বসে বসে. We had our dinner like একদম বিচের সামনের যেই টেবিলগুলো দেওয়া ছিল ওখানে বসে. It felt amazing and অনেক টায়ার্ড আজকে. We've had a long day and কালকেও we're gonna have a very long day. কালকে for tomorrow we have planned to explore a few of the beautiful waterfalls in this South Goa. So অনেক আর্লি মর্নিং উঠে যাইতে হবে, সো যার কারণে এখন we are gonna go back to our room and just straight head back to sleep. অনেক মিউজিক বাজতেছে, এখন অনেক রাত এখানে. It's probably 11:30 right now, but the whole beach is still awake. The whole place is awake, but we have to go to bed right now যেহেতু কালকে সকালে অনেক প্ল্যান আছে সারাদিনের. So I really hope you guys enjoyed my day 2 vlog on Goa, and I will see you on day 3. Take care. Bye bye.
Travel with me, don't you wanna get away? Don't you wanna run away? I can take you to anywhere. Ride with me anywhere. 4 a.m. in the night, sunrise is on the way. Just think about me.